The 2025 DDPAI Z60 Pro is a powerful 3-channel dash cam that records in 4K for the front view, 2K for the interior, and 1080p for the rear, delivering ultra-clear footage from every angle. With advanced HDR technology, it ensures vibrant colors and excellent contrast even in challenging lighting conditions. This clarity is powered by Sony's high-end Starvis 2 sensors, the IMX678 and IMX662, which enhance photosensitivity and allow for crisp, detailed footage both day and night. Designed for modern driving, the Z60 Pro includes ADAS, Advanced Driver Assistance Systems, which helps monitor your vehicle's environment in real time. It can detect lane departures, forward collisions, and other potential hazards, issuing alerts to improve driving safety. At night, the AI ISP night vision function comes into play, using smart algorithms to brighten and clarify low-light scenes so you don't miss any detail. This dash cam also supports 4G remote monitoring when paired with the Cloud Box, sold separately. Whether you're parked or on the move, you can view real-time footage directly from your smartphone, adding another layer of convenience and security. The Z60 Pro also features 5 GHz Wi-Fi for faster file transfers and seamless connectivity.